Now, when you're walking through the streets of Bangkok, really walk slowly and open your eyes because you never know what you may find. Now, in this area, it's a hardware store. They sell brushes and broomsticks and little shops like this with hidden little food places. This is called khanom khrok. Now, it's a very traditional, authentic Thai sweet dessert, which I don't see very often. Look at this. It's got a beautiful mould. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Mao.
Mao. Mao. As in meow.
Yeah.
Excellent, I'm Luke. So this is a fantastic thing. Now come have a look. So we've got these little pancake molds, and it's made with like coconut.
Coconut
Yeah.
on top.
Okay, but this batter here is flour with rice flour, a bit of plain flour as well, and a bit of water. I'm just going to pour it in there. Not too full.
Yeah.
And then you have to give it a bit of a good shake, don't you?
Yeah.
Just to even it all out.
This is the whole.
And then we put a bit of coconut milk. So how much of this do I put in? Just a little bit, right?
You count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. And so the toppings here, we have corn, we have taro, we have pumpkin and spring onion. Now that's looking really, really pretty. They're very, very colourful, really cute. Now I'm going to cook that for 15 minutes so it can crispen up. And 15 minutes later, it should look like this. The base is nice and brown, really, really crispy, but very hot. This is sweet corn. Oh, very hot. Never eat these things right out of the pan because it'll burn your mouth. But crispy on the outside, melted, soft and gooey on the inside. Fantastic. And then you got the savoury pumpkin and taro. And also, I really love this spring onion. Now, another Thai sweet snack that I absolutely adore is this one. It's called khanom prung. Is that right? Prung. Khanom prung. Now, it takes so much talent and skill to make this. This is a little sweet you'll find at a fine dining restaurant and say, yes, I will pay really good money for this. So this is made from a batter made from mung beans. Everything is the same size. She gets a bit of egg white that's made into meringue with palm sugar. Very airy. Whip it up with palm sugar, Thai style. So you got all these sweet elements, and we've got some dried shrimp with coconut, goes on top, vibrant in colour. Then we've got some more shredded fresh coconut flesh. This is egg yolk. Bring water to the boil, and then you kind of run the egg yolk into the pot of hot water, and then it becomes like a net. This is coriander. Look, they're done. Less than 40 seconds. How much? How many baht?
5 baht. 1 piece, 5 baht.
5 baht for 1 piece. So good. Very, very colourful. Oh. That is magical, really. Aroy. Aroy mao.